Every brand and every company has a history, and ours, it has a clear and strong one: our customers. It is because of them who choose us every day that we work passionately always. In order to work appropriately for our customers, we need to know them. Twice a month, we perform what we call fashion laboratories, in which we test our customers' likes, preferences, and their behavior in our stores. We access online and up-to-date information on our collection success rate, and that is how we return everything back to our customers. We get inspired every time more with their positive reactions and comments. Consumers are constantly exposed to thousands of messages from media and social networking, which, in occasions, create difficulties for them when trying to clearly communicate which collection they wish to see. To fix this, an interdisciplinary group from OFFCORSS travels constantly to big cities like London, Paris and New York, among many others, and visits the most important fashion fairs as Pitti Bimbo in Florence, Italy, Bread and Butter in Berlin, Germany, that serve as true fountains of inspiration. After all trips, a group of 16 fashion and graphic designers print all their creativity in drawn sketches and create 4 references per day, turning the reality of clothing into a fun experience for children and tweens. In OFFCORSS, we design our own fabric, aiming to capture the talent of the designers, the same ones that create and adapt different tendencies to OFFCORSS's style. In addition, a multidisciplinary group works along with the designers to bring to life their creations. During this process, people in charge of pattern making manufactures 2,200 new patterns a year and 1,200 patterns in order to see the piece of clothing done and approved. The manufacturing of clothing pieces is a team job in our samples plant, where about 40 people turn the dream of seeing and touching the new pieces into a reality. Counting on these people, we manufacture around 8,900 new prototypes to turn our pieces into pieces of works of art. Our graphic designers team draw around 6,000 new graphics per year and create 600 new fabric designs each season. In addition, our fashion designers team create at least 2,700 references per year for our basic and fashion collections. Our graphic designers are 2 artists who carry the responsibility of creating and telling a story in each piece of clothing and each collection. Engineering department quantifies the dreams in hours, minutes and seconds, and breaks down minute by minute every element and process of the production costs in order to achieve the most competitive price. Everything here happens in short time. Therefore, the purchasing team is constantly looking for the best options around the globe, obtaining more than 500 new textile bases and 1,200 new supply inputs. Besides, we count on 400 new textile bases developments, which we create annually with our suppliers in an effort to innovate constantly. With our suppliers, we use a management model in which we certify those who share our work philosophy and those who meet quality indicators, delivery and reliability. Hiring 92 million of workforce minutes in our production department contributes socially to the development and stability of hundreds of Colombian families. We buy more than 3,600,000 meters of fabric, with which we produce around 2,700 references a year, 6,265 production orders, more than 129,000 PLUs per year, and cut around 61 million pieces a year. Our integration center is responsible for sending to our 300 suppliers more than 5,500 SKU of fabric and about 14,500 SKU of supplies in order to manufacture the collections. We count on a broad network of laundries, embroidery and embossing, which bring the last secret touch to our pieces of clothing and help us to enrich the designs in order to really stand out in the market. Along with our sewing plants, we produce more than 7 million units a year, which represent 9 million minutes of finishing, so our pieces of work can be released into the market. We count on a 15,000 square meters of logistic and productive area with a storage capacity of 2,400,000 units. Annually, we ship to more than 1,100 destinations in Colombia and abroad and successfully reach clients and customers. All of our successful design, pre-production and production processes are supported by different softwares as Modaris Expert, Diamino, Optiplan, and Gallery Electra. Moving all of our technology support to SAP system is a new challenge. However, moving to a state-of-the-art technology helps us to support the company's growth. Behind all these numbers, there is always magic, passion, and a strong belief on creating a lifestyle in all of our production chain. Both parents' and children's happy faces are the ultimate engine that moves us to give our best. We have soul, we tell stories, and we sow realities. This is Off Course.